In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change file permissions in Google Docs. This process is essential for managing who can view, comment, or edit your documents, ensuring you maintain control over your files while collaborating effectively with others. First, we need to start by opening a web browser on your computer. This can be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, type google.com into the address bar and hit enter. This will bring you to Google's homepage. If you're not already signed in, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and sign into your Google account using your email address. After entering your email, click Next and then type in your password. Again, click on Next to finish signing in. Great, now take a look in the upper right corner of your screen and you should see a small grid icon, sometimes referred to as the App Launcher or Google Apps Grid. Click on this grid and select Google Docs from the list. This action will take you to the Google Docs homepage, where you'll see a list of your existing documents. Locate the document for which you want to change the permissions and open it by clicking on it. Once your document is open, look towards the top right corner and locate the blue Share button. This button may have a lock or a person icon, indicating it's ready for you to share your document. Click on this button to bring up the sharing settings. In the sharing pop-up, you'll see a text box where you can enter the email addresses of people you'd like to share the document with. Type in the email address of the person you're sharing with and add them to the list. Next to each email address you add, there's a drop-down menu where you can assign specific roles. This allows you to control the level of access your collaborators will have. You have three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. Choose viewer if the person only needs to see the document. Select commenter if they should be able to leave comments without making edits. Choose editor if you want them to have full editing capabilities just like you. If you want to make the document accessible to anyone with the link, click on General Access to change the permissions accordingly, then click on Anyone with the link to apply this setting. To get the link to share, click on Copy Link. This link can be sent to anyone you want to grant access to your document. Once you're satisfied with your sharing settings, click on Done to save your changes and close the sharing settings. And that's it. You've successfully changed file permissions in Google Docs, making it easy and efficient to collaborate with others. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.